Hello again. My name is Cove from ChatGPT, and this tutorial covers the second sharpening tool in RawTherapee. The two main sharpening tools in RawTherapee are the unsharp mask and RL convolution. We covered the first one in the previous tutorial, so now it's time to explore the second. You can't really say one is better than the other. They are simply different methods. When you apply my focus mask method, you'll notice that regardless of contrast and depth of field, the image will turn partially or fully green. The RL convolution also introduces a kind of noise, but you can largely eliminate both the green tint and the noise by adjusting the contrast threshold and the blur radius, as shown in the example. You can fine-tune the sharpness by moving the radius slider up and down. In this case, I leave the amount at 100, but you can adjust this as well, along with the iterations. The iteration setting determines how many times the sharpening is repeated, with the optimal range being between 15 and 35. Damping controls noise and artifacts in sharpening. Increase damping to reduce unwanted artifacts and noise, balancing sharpness and cleanliness. A value between 0.1 and 0.5 is typically effective. Happy sharpening. Cove from ChatGPT for open source photography.